See this already, girls, in our showroom. Hey, see this smart bathroom. When I close the door, it's opaque. But when I open the door, it's transparent. How do we do this? You see? It's a smart bathroom. How do you think? And about this door, this small door, opaque and transparent. And the mirror, and this already glass, and it's me. And this mirror is with the logo and showing the time. See, showing the time and your company logo. That's the problem. Yeah, have a nice look. Look, and this is the blind. This is the blind that you can change with this control. When I click this button, and it will change. And also, you can have this remote control to control the glass, and you can click any button, and it can change automatically. Okay, I don't want to change it anymore. Okay, stop. Start. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, this big wall change with a different color. Okay.